Good evening, Tom. You look a little tense today. Everything okay?
Good evening, Mary. I'm okay, just carrying a bit of stress today. My mind feels busy.
I understand that feeling very well. Life has a way of piling things up. How have you really been?
Honestly, a little anxious. Not panicking, just constantly thinking. And you?
I've been calmer lately, but stress still visits me sometimes. That's why today's topic feels important and very real.
Let me guess. We're talking about stress and anxiety?
Exactly. How to control them, not eliminate them, just understand them better.
Stress feels unavoidable these days.
Yes, work, expectations, money, the future.
Sometimes even small things feel heavy.
That's how stress sneaks in, quietly.
So, Mary, how would you explain stress?
Stress is the body's response to pressure. It's not always bad, it's a signal.
A signal saying something needs attention.
Exactly. But too much stress overwhelms us.
And anxiety,
Anxiety is stress that lives in the future. It's fear of what might happen.
that explains a lot.
Anxiety loves imagination, especially negative imagination.
So, anxiety is my brain watching disaster movies all day?
Yes, with no popcorn.
That's the worst part.
One important thing to remember, everyone feels stress and anxiety,
Even calm looking people?
especially calm-looking people.
That makes me feel better already.
I used to think stress meant weakness,
Me too.
but it actually means we care.
That changes the perspective.
Stress shows up in the body.
Tight shoulders,
Headaches.
fast breathing.
Stress loves stealing sleep.
Yes, the body is tired, but the mind is loud.
That's a common pattern.
Overthinking feeds anxiety,
Yes, thoughts repeat like a loop.
and each round gets louder.
You can't control what you don't notice.
Awareness comes before calm.
Naming stress helps reduce it.
I often get angry at myself for feeling anxious.
That makes it worse.
So, kindness helps?
Always. Feeling anxious doesn't mean something is wrong with you.
It means you're human.
A sensitive, thoughtful human.
My anxiety thinks it's protecting me.
Yes, but it's very bad at the job.
Overqualified and undertrained.
Just talking about this helps.
It feels lighter already.
Because stress hates being understood.
So today's about understanding first,
Yes, control starts with compassion.
not force.
Today, we talked about what stress and anxiety really are.
And why they show up.
In the next part,
We'll talk about daily stress.
work pressure and real-life situations.
Stay with us. You're not alone.
I hope you're feeling a little calmer.
Yes. Take a breath with us. You're doing great.
Daily stress is very common.
Small things add up.
Traffic, deadlines, messages.
Even waiting in line,
Sometimes stress starts before breakfast.
especially when coffee is late.
That's serious stress.
Emergency level.
Work is a big source of stress.
Pressure to perform.
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of judgment.
Work stress often follows us home.
Yes, the body leaves, the mind stays.
That's exhausting.
Phones increase stress too.
Constant alerts.
No rest for the brain.
Silence feels rare now.
My phone vibrates. My heart jumps.
That's not a workout.
Feels like one.
Pausing is powerful.
Even 5 seconds.
Stop. Breathe.
Then continue.
You can breathe anywhere.
At your desk.
In the bathroom.
Even in meetings.
Inhale slowly,
Hold gently.
exhale longer.
It tells the body to relax.
Expectations cause stress,
From others,
and from ourselves.
sometimes self-pressure hurts more.
Notice your inner voice
Is it harsh?
or supportive. That matters a lot.
My inner voice used to be a strict boss.
Did you fire it?
Still negotiating.
Feeling rushed creates anxiety.
Always watching the clock.
Time anxiety is real.
And draining.
Doing one thing at a time helps.
Multitasking increases stress.
Focus feels calmer.
And more effective.
You don't need to solve everything today.
That's comforting.
Some things can wait.
The world won't collapse.
Evenings should be for rest.
But stress often stays.
We replay the day.
Over and over.
Create a calming routine.
Soft music.
Low lights.
No heavy thinking. I tell my brain office hours are closed.
Does it listen?
Sometimes, with reminders.
Letting go is a skill.
Not instant.
Practice makes it easier.
Like muscle training.
Stress lives in the body.
Neck, shoulders.
Jaw tension.
I didn't notice before.
Stretching helps release stress.
Even small movements.
No gym required.
Just kindness to the body.
Talking reduces stress.
Sharing lightens the load.
You don't have to carry it alone.
That's important.
Some days are just hard.
And that's okay.
Bad days don't define you.
They pass.
What daily stress affects you most?
Rushing. Always rushing.
Mine is overthinking.
We're learning together.
Dear listeners,
Your stress makes sense.
you're not failing.
You're adapting.
Today we talked about daily stress.
Work pressure and routines.
In the next part,
We'll explore anxiety deeper.
fear and overthinking.
Stay with us. Breathe gently.
I hope you're still breathing calmly.
Yes. Slow breath in, slow breath out.
Let's talk about anxiety.
Anxiety feels different from stress.
Stress is pressure.
Anxiety is fear.
Anxiety often lives in thoughts.
What if thoughts?
What could go wrong?
Endless questions. My brain loves what if.
Mine too. It's very creative.
Too creative sometimes.
Anxiety doesn't stay forever.
It rises and falls.
Like waves.
We just need to ride them.
Fighting anxiety makes it stronger.
Resistance adds tension.
Acceptance softens it.
That's hard but powerful.
When anxiety comes,
Return to breathing.
feel the air.
Feel the body.
Calm the body first.
Then the mind follows.
That's important.
Very important.
Overthinking fuels anxiety.
Thinking the same thing again and again
And again,
and again. My brain deserves overtime pay.
but no vacation.
Exactly.
Name the thought.
Say, I'm overthinking.
Label it.
Then gently step back.
Thoughts are not commands.
They're just suggestions.
You don't have to follow them.
That's freeing.
Ground yourself.
Look around.
Name 5 things you see.
It brings you back to now.
Anxiety lives in the future.
Peace lives in the present.
Now is usually safe.
That's reassuring.
Fear often comes from uncertainty.
Not knowing what will happen.
The unknown feels scary.
But it's also full of possibility.
Fear means you care.
It doesn't mean danger.
It means growth.
Growth feels uncomfortable. Growth feels like emotional stretching.
Without warm-up.
Exactly.
Anxiety shows physically.
Fast heartbeat.
Sweaty palms.
Tight chest.
Place a hand on your chest.
Feel warmth.
That touch is calming.
The body feels supported,
Speak kindly to yourself.
especially during anxiety.
Say, I'm safe.
I can handle this.
Treat yourself like a friend, not an enemy.
Would you yell at a friend? Hopefully not, unless they ate my snacks.
That's a different conversation. Anxiety loves nighttime.
Quiet makes thoughts louder.
The mind starts racing.
Sleep feels far away.
Lower stimulation at night.
Dim lights.
Gentle music.
No scary news.
If thoughts appear,
Let them float by.
like clouds,
No chasing.
anxiety management takes time.
Be patient.
Small steps count.
Always.
Talking helps reduce anxiety.
You're not weak for sharing.
You're human.
And brave.
Dear listeners,
Anxiety doesn't define you,
it's an experience.
not your identity.
You've survived anxious moments before.
You'll survive again.
You're stronger than you think.
We promise.
Today, we talked about anxiety.
Fear and overthinking.
In the next part,
We'll focus on long-term calm.
habits for inner peace.
Stay with us.
This is our final part together.
Take a moment. You made it this far.
Stress control is not magic.
It's a daily practice,
Small habits.
done consistently.
Calm can be learned.
Like a language.
You practice.
You improve. I'm still learning Calm Level 1.
Hey, level 1 is powerful.
I'll take it.
Mornings set the tone.
Rushing creates stress.
Gentle starts help.
Even 5 minutes.
Stretch slowly.
Drink water.
Breathe intentionally.
No phone first.
Too much screen time increases anxiety.
The mind needs rest.
Create phone-free moments.
Protect your peace. My phone misses me.
It'll survive.
Barely.
Move your body daily.
Walking counts.
Stretching counts.
No pressure.
Nature calms the nervous system.
Trees help.
Sunlight helps.
Even fresh air helps.
Mindfulness builds strength.
Awareness without judgment.
Not forcing calm.
Allowing calm.
Release what you can't control.
Focus on what you can.
Energy is limited.
Use it wisely.
Trust yourself more.
You've handled difficult days.
You learned from them.
That builds confidence.
Talk to yourself gently.
Encouraging words matter.
They shape your mood.
And your future. My inner voice is nicer now.
Progress.
Still sarcastic sometimes.
Evenings are for slowing down.
Create a signal for rest.
Soft light.
Quiet thoughts.
Good sleep reduces anxiety.
Rest heals the mind.
Protect your sleep.
It's essential.
Not every emotion needs action.
Feel it.
Then let it pass.
Like weather.
Connection reduces stress.
Talk to people you trust.
Laugh together.
Share life.
Gratitude shifts focus.
Small things matter.
Warm coffee.
A kind message.
Some days will still be hard.
And that's okay.
Peace includes imperfection.
Always.
Healing is not linear.
Ups and downs exist.
Be patient.
Keep going.
Dear listeners,
You are not broken.
you are learning.
You are growing.
Notice how far you've come.
Even small changes count.
Your effort matters.
We see you.
Stress and anxiety don't disappear forever.
But they don't control you.
You have tools now.
And strength.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We truly appreciate you.
We hope this series brought you calm.
And comfort.
Take care of your mind.
Take care of your heart.
Until next time,
Stay gentle with yourself.
we've reached the end of our episode. Thank you for listening.
Your support means a lot to us. Keep improving and keep smiling.
Catch you again on Podcast English Talk. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.